Schwartz has currently been seen attempting to dispel the confusion on what constitutes a security and commodity in the crypto space. Will his opinion count? By the way, 444 million tokens were moved in just 4 transactions, with the single largest transaction accounting for 252 million tokens. Finally, will history have to repeat itself before XRP can clinch the $23.80 price point in June? If this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we happily send you a special welcome. We invite you to hit on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To stand the chance of participating, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced on the 15th of February. John Deaton, longtime SEC fighter, attorney, and XRP holder representative, also had something to say on the subject of possible tighter regulation of the crypto sphere. The expert said that the commission is waging an all-out war against the crypto industry, and the regulator's head, Gary Gensler, is not about to give up. Earlier, in late January, after the White House released a roadmap on cryptocurrencies, Deaton speculated that a final and most aggressive attempt to shut down the crypto sphere is about to take place. Also, at the very beginning of the year, the crypto advocate shared his predictions for 2023. In it, he predicted that the SEC case against Ripple would end with a court ruling. One or more crypto exchanges would be sued for selling unregistered securities. The FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried investigation would reveal a lot of dirt, and Gensler would step down by the end of the year. We'll see what happens. On the other hand, Ripple's chief technology officer David Schwartz has offered a simple method to identify what constitutes a security or commodity. The Ripple executive did this in a tweet yesterday, surmising his thoughts on arguments made by lawyers of former Coinbase product manager Ishan Wahi in a motion to dismiss a civil suit filed by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Schwartz surmised that securities give holders rights while commodities give holders abilities. The arguments cited by Schwartz in a previous tweet specifically relate to governance tokens, which the Ripple executive previously believed were more security-like. In the excerpt, the lawyers assert that these tokens do not confer rights on holders enforceable against the developer. Instead, they argue that these tokens only offer holders limited technological ability with no legal obligation to do anything on behalf of users. Notably, Schwartz demonstrates the point using IBM stock. As explained by the Ripple executive, holders of IBM stock have the legal right to participate in governance but with no ability to do so. According to Schwartz, IBM has the legal obligation to provide you with that ability by notifying you of impending decisions and counting your vote. Conversely, Schwartz says with governance tokens, you are not conferred the legal right to vote, but you can, touting this as a critical legal distinction. Furthermore, Schwartz clarified that it does not necessarily mean that on-chain governance votes are not binding. Using the example of an orange, the Ripple CTO posits that while oranges are commodities, you can file charges against a third party for interfering with your ability to eat yours. According to Schwartz, this will be a tort claim, not a contract breach. Notably, tort encapsulates civil wrongs without contractual agreements. Recall that in July last year, the U.S. Department of Justice, DOJ, and the SEC filed charges against the former Coinbase product manager, his brother Nikhil Wahi, and his friend Samir Ramani for an alleged insider trading scheme. Per the filings, Wahi allegedly tipped off his friend and brother on tokens Coinbase planned to list, allowing them to make over $1 million in profit from trading on this information from June 2021 to April 2022. However, the SEC civil case came with a twist alleging that 9 of the digital assets traded by Wahi and his accomplices are securities. Notably, Wahi's brother, in September, pleaded guilty to a wire fraud conspiracy charge, and on Tuesday, Wahi pleaded guilty to 2 counts of conspiracy to commit wire fraud. But Wahi is seeking to dismiss the SEC case as his lawyers argue against the regulator's claim that the assets represent securities. Per the motion to dismiss, the defense argues that there is no investment contract, investment in a common enterprise, or expectation of profits as the tokens are utility tokens with value decided by market forces. In addition, it notes that previous cases where the courts have ruled that initial coin offerings, ICOs, constitute security do not apply as the case is concerned with activity in the secondary market. Meanwhile, it is worth noting that Ripple is locked in a similar battle with the SEC. The regulator in December 2020 accused Ripple and its executives of engaging in the sale of unregistered securities. The regulator asserts that XRP tokens, even those purchased in secondary markets, represent unregistered securities. The case, which has spanned over 2 years, now awaits the decision of Judge Annalisa Torres, as everything has been briefed. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. XRP whale activity is showing little signs of slowing down, as the community just witnessed another slew of intraday whale movements which shuffled a total of 444 million tokens among unknown wallets and wallets from Bitso and Bitstamp. This batch of whale transactions has occurred at a time when XRP is battling to retain a comfortable position above the 40-cent zone. The latest of the recent stack of whale movements was an internal fund flow between two Bitso wallets which involved the shuffling of 32.2 million XRP, $13.1 million, yesterday. Both addresses show an official affiliation with Bitso. 3 minutes before this transaction, an unidentified wallet transferred 35 million XRP, $14 million, to Bitstamp. The balance on the sending address now currently sits at 1 million XRP. The address has been offloading its assets to Independent Reserve, Bitso, and Bitstamp addressed in a series of transactions involving millions. The single largest transaction among these recent whale movements occurred yesterday. The transaction saw two unknown whale addresses shuffle a whopping 252 million XRP tokens valued at $99.9 million. Both addresses are relatively new, with the sending address activated on January 30th and the recipient address activated just yesterday. Meanwhile, the earliest transaction saw two unidentified wallets move 125 million XRP worth $49.6 million yesterday. While the sending address was activated in 2021, the recipient address is fairly new, with an activation date of January 31st. These four recent whale transactions were carried out barely 2 days after Binance and other whales shuffled over 507 million tokens in 24 hours, as earlier reported. The transactions then occurred when XRP retested the 42 cents price territory and was faced with fierce opposition. Now, down to our main discussion. Will history have to repeat itself before XRP can clinch the $23.80 price point in June? Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. Pseudonymous XRP Permabull and analyst CryptoBull have predicted that the asset will clinch the $23.80 price point in June. The analyst disclosed this in a tweet last Saturday. The analyst shared the XRP weekly price chart, indicating that the asset's price was in a bullish wedge continuation pattern similar to the time before it kicked off its previous bull market rally. Consequently, the analyst believes that XRP will repeat the same price action. CryptoBull's analysis is similar to an earlier analysis by fellow XRP Permabull YGRAG Crypto. However, YGRAG places the height of the first bullish price swing at $13, with a final target of $80 in the second swing after a retracement. For context, YGRAG's analysis is on the monthly XRP chart. Meanwhile, a monthly chart price analysis by CryptoBull as far back as August 2022 places the peak of the next XRP bull run at $200. XRP is currently trading at the 40 cents price point. The 4-hour chart indicates that the asset's price pushed down over the weekend before finding support at around 39 cents on Monday. Consequently, the price has bounced but faces resistance at around the 40 cents price point, the previous lower high. However, the price has also found minor support around the current price. So, bulls will hope that price can see the momentum to break the immediate resistance, as failure will risk returning to support. As highlighted in a recent report, YGRAG believes the current downward momentum could take the price down to 22 cents before a significant reversal to $1.40. Notably, YGRAG's model had predicted a run to 60 cents before the drop to 22 cents. This price run is yet to happen. At current prices, XRP is up 17.8% since January 1st. Top crypto analytics platform Sentiment Feed last month tapped the asset as undervalued, asserting that it could easily compensate for losses endured in 2022. It has been 1,862 days since XRP clinched its all-time high of $3.84 on January 4, 2018. The outcome of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission case against Ripple this year will likely significantly impact the price. So we come to the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.